ಇವತ್ತು A to Z ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪಲ್, ಬನಾನಾ ಆತರ A to Z ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್ 3000, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ತರಬೇಕು. ಏನಾದಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ.
Should we start from A or should we start from anywhere? I think it's A.
Since it's A to Z, so you have to go from alphabetical order.
we have to buy from A to Z only.
Yes.
Z ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. We are searching for A. We are not getting. For almonds, but ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇದು. 690 ಇದೆ. ಚಿಪ್ಪು.
A for almonds.
B for bingo. Bingo ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Yeah, bingo. We are taking bingo. Yeah. C for ಇದೆ. C for Colgate. Colgate we are taking. For Dettol we are taking. For Dettol we are taking. Difficult to shop like this. A, B, C, D alphabetical order. For we are not getting. E for elachi, but here it is cardamom, different. For flour we are taking.
Cheating.
F we are taking flour. For we are seeing flax seeds.
Powder. See?
No different groundnut we are taking. For Harpic we are taking. Harpic we are taking.
It is very difficult to shop like this. It's very hard.
Idli rava we are taking. For jaggery powder.
A for Kinder Joy.
L for lemons. M for milk halwa.
Proud. I'll take. Looking for N right now.
For Nutella.
And for oats. For pasta and pizza sauce. We did not get Q, so S for sprouts. Quick filter coffee.
For
T
tea
for
powder.
tea.
Tea powder we are taking. For W watermelon seeds we are taking. U urd dal. For Vim we are
V
taking.
for Vim. Z for Zandu bomb.
Okay.
Q for cubes.
Okay. So shut it. We bought Ashirwad. B for Bingo. C for Colgate. D for Dettol. E for energy drink. F for flax seeds. G for groundnut. Harpic. J for jaggery. L for lemons. M for milk kova. Nutella. O, P. We got this. For ragi powder. Sugar. A for almond actually. Almond. A for idli rava. Dal. Watermelon seed. Not get. So why we got Zandu bomb. Finally our shopping was gone mad. We bought this Zandu bomb.